Hey friends, welcome to another video. This video is about introducing a new premium pair of riding gloves from Royal Enfield. I have found a very good offer online, especially as the festive season is going on. I bought this from Amazon. It was officially priced at around 4,200, but I got it almost half of that price in Amazon. All right, so this is the packet that I have received. This is one of the top-notch riding gloves available in India and in the Royal Enfield lineup as of yet. It was a very simple package. There was a small plastic separating the two gloves inside, and one of the gloves had the different tags, including the price tag, some basic instructions, and so on. They have attached a small logo of Royal Enfield on the right hand glove, and also you can see the branding of the glove, Vamos. This is a brown version of the Vamos riding gloves, and there is one more version which is black. The inside section covering the palm of your hand comes up with the Knox protection. This section has a couple of protective parts made up of fiber and plastic. So it is Knox certified. The basic design of the gloves looks pretty good. These gloves comes up with two color variations. One is brown. The one that you see right now is the brown version, and the other variation is a black one. And in fact, both of these gloves comes up with the dual color tone. Even if this is a brown version of the Vamos riding gloves, you can see the blackish design elements being attached to it at various parts. As the overall quality of the gloves looks pretty good, I decided not to return this product. So let's cut the tags from the product and try out and see how does it fit on the hands. Let me try the Vamos gloves on the right hand first. I have ordered the size large. Even though there are some level of information available with the instructions detailing what size of gloves may fit your palm, I basically had no clue which size would suit my hands. I was basically bluffing when I selected the size large. But it is advisable to go through the instructions clearly and choose the right size of your gloves. And I had a small problem in one of the fingers on my left hand gloves. Basically, I can feel some of the stitching parts at the tip of my left hand in a couple of fingers. It's only a minor concern, and I can adjust the overall fitting and get rid of this small little problem that I have with this particular gloves. This is how it looks like when the Royal Enfield Vamos premium pair of gloves has been fit into both the hands. It looks really amazing. One of the other provisions of this pair of Vamos riding gloves is that you can use the mobile phone with these gloves. You can see a small little notch on the index finger. However, this is meant for using the power button and so on, I believe. Because in my case, I'm not able to wake the screen using the index finger design of these gloves. However, I can see a different design being given to the thumb. In my case, even though this is a brown Vamos pair of gloves, the thumb has a bit of black leather part being attached to it. And using this part of the thumb, I was able to use my mobile phone. And in fact, I can type everything clearly and precisely, and it works fine. So, this is a pretty nice thing to have. So, in case if you wanted to use your mobile phone while wearing your gloves, you can use your mobile phone. At least the basic features of your mobile phone can be accessed even if you are wearing these pair of gloves. The only thing is that you cannot use your mobile phone with the index finger. These gloves has been constructed using the goat leather, and it has got its own impact protection. The Royal Enfield Vamos premium pair of gloves are expected to give you with good level of palm protection and knuckle protection. The Knox knuckle protectors will help on these regards. These are CE certified gloves and one of the top of the line gloves from Royal Enfield. There are other premium gloves available as well from Royal Enfield. Do check these out from the official website of Royal Enfield or on the online shopping platforms. Alright folks, that's it from the today's video's point of view. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for similar sort of updates and have a nice day ahead.